Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Today, the big pigs get a treat. Some fresh corn. They seem to like the whole plant. Well, that's good, because I got a lot of corn out there that somebody needs to eat, because the earwigs got part of it. Wasn't too happy about that. The corn does taste good, but it's better them to eat it than me. Anyway, I don't know if we'll try corn again next year or not. This year's crop really didn't turn out very well, but anyway, pigs do love it, and I'm gonna take a cob in there for the little pig, let him chew on it. He seems to like it. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.